Hey everyone, I am Priyadashini, currently pursuing my Masters of Business Administration at SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to present here Artificial Intelligence in Human Resource Management. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or robot is controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discrepancy. Human resource management. Human resource management is a strategic approach in the efficient and effective management of people in the company or organization such that they help the company to gain a competitive advantage. Artificial intelligence in human resource. Artificial intelligence can prevent more opportunities for mastering new skills and gaining more free times, allowing HR professionals to expand their current role in order to be more strategic within their organization. Application of AI in human resource, requirement and onboarding, internal mobility and employee retention, automation of administrative tasks. Importance of artificial intelligence in HR. Artificial intelligence allows HR department to improve the candidate and their experience by automatic, repetitive, low-value tasks, freeing up the time to focus on the strategic, creative work that HR teams desires and requires. Artificial intelligence good for human resource. Artificial intelligence is the powerful technology that helps HR improvements, how we require, hires, measure, compensate and people development. But sourcing and hearing is still requires for human skills because building relationships to supporting and managing the employees. Impact of artificial intelligence in HR. Artificial intelligence helps HR department to analyze the resource skill set and recommend the training module based on the job role. It gathers all the data and HR team to decide conscious what training is to conduct and which field to improve the skills. Benefits of artificial intelligence in HR. Artificial intelligence gives an opportunities for HR people to automate repetitive tasks like onboarding new employees, payroll employees, and employee attendance, etc., so that they can focus more on strategic work. Future of HR. AI is unlikely to replace HR, and a successful HR ecosystem to comprise the right mix of people analytics, AI, and human intervention. So it is clear that AI will continue to positively shape the field of human resource management in the coming years. HR professionals should also aware of the challenge they might face. This is all about my presentation. Thank you.